Okay, the first thing that we do is to strip a 1/4 inch of the buffer and expose bare fiber. Second, we're gonna take one ST connectors, slide it, the fiber inside, wiggle a little bit. When you see the fiber on the other side, now you take the crimp tool and this is a 900, so you take the 900 slot, 900 slot, okay. Next is you take the hand tool, make sure you put the connector on, slide the alignment together, and then you impact. Okay, then you're ready. You slide back, and you're ready to cleave the excess fiber in the front of the connectors. You kind of scribe and bend. When that's done, you're now ready for the polishing. You take the hand polish tool, you set up the paper. First you align the pink on the outside for hand polish. Okay, when you're done, the second you use align the puck to the 3 micron, and you keep the plate flat and polish hard for about 5 to 6 seconds. So you have to do some hard here so that you flat everything out. And then you lift gently the plate and you go to the blue, and you do the same, but you go gentle and a little faster, but gentle like that. There you go. Okay. Then put your paper back, wrap your paper back. There you go. Put it in your pouch, and take your microscope and check.